Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is T, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I want to show you guys my updated wash day routine, because in the last video that I posted on this channel explaining what I do and the things that you shouldn't do if you want your hair to be healthy, I explained my wash day routine, and today I just want to put it into practicality and show you guys what I meant by what I said in that video, because for some, seeing is believing. A quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, Simplynaturalmw. They sent me a wash day bundle, and that is what we're going to use in today's video. For most of you guys, those of you who have been here for a while, you know me as a DIY person. So every time I'm washing my hair, I usually make my own recipes at home. And my favorites, the one that are featured on this channel usually, are flaxseed gel, oat milk, hibiscus fenugreek, and green tea. You've seen me using Ayurvedic herbs, and these are things that have really helped my hair to grow and to thrive. My hair was never like what it is today. With these DIY products, I've been able to unlock certain moisture levels that I never thought I would. I have retained so much length that I always dreamt of, but never thought it was possible to retain it. But in as much as I love DIY products, you guys, I have to be honest, they can be very inconvenient. So having this brand sending me products that have most of the ingredients that I use on a day-to-day basis is a winner for me. I'm really glad that they sent me this bundle, which I'm going to be trying, and I hope that the video is going to be helpful, and that if you never understood what I do, you are going to appreciate that. So the first step that I do on wash day is to detangle my hair, or what we call pre-shampooing, or in short, Prepoo. So regularly on a wash day routine, I normally go in with flaxseed gel to detangle my hair, and I think you've seen it in most of my short videos. But today I decided to do an oil Prepoo. I went in with this oil and applied it to my scalp, I applied it to my hair. But before that, I had to go in with a herbal tea, and this was made from hibiscus and green tea. And hibiscus and green tea are very potent herbs. They help with reducing breakage and whatnot. And the oil has amazing herbs such as shikakai, aretha, amla, rosehip, neem, moringa, cloves, fenugreek, hibiscus, rosemary, ginger, and black seed. And these are really good for the scalp, so that your scalp is really cleansed out, and they really pull out any debris and any infections. If you have dandruff, this is the best thing you can do for yourself, because dandruff is a mixture of sweat and some oils, and if you just go in with water and soap, it's really not going to lift off. Now when you're prepping your hair, make sure you focus on all parts of your hair. So focus on your scalp, focus on the roots, focus on the length of your hair, as well as the ends of your hair. Make sure you focus on all parts of your hair, because you want your hair to be nourished through and through, and this is the best time for you to do that. After that, I go in ahead and wet my hair, which is the second step, which is cleansing. I go in, wet my hair under the shower. I use warm water throughout the wash day. I don't use cold water. Besides, I have low porosity hair. Cold water, it doesn't even work, all right? It closes the cuticles. You want your cuticles to open. Once I'm done saturating my hair with water, I go in with the shampoo bar soap, and it suds up so quickly. And you don't have to use a lot, because a little goes a long way. But remember that when you're shampooing your hair, shampoo your hair twice, all right? And here I also went in with the shampoo, with the scalp massager. It really helps to lift off anything from your scalp that perhaps you may have missed using your fingers. And this also just becomes therapeutic, all right? So after I have finished shampoo in my hair, I rinse that out, and again I use warm water. But one thing that I love about this soap is that it's very mild and gentle. It has a sweet fragrance to it, and it's very refreshing. It cleanses, but it doesn't strip you off of your moisture. It's very moisturizing, and the good thing about this is that you can even use it on your body. And that's something that I really love. When I'm picking out products, I want something that is multifunctional. So this is something that you can use on your body, on your face, and even on your hair. So this is one of the best things about Simply Natural Malawi. They make 2-in-1 kind of products. You can use it for your body as well as for your hair, and this is one of their best creations yet. Step number 3 is deep conditioning, and this is what my local girls in Malawi usually call steaming, but it's basically one and the same thing. Now here I always make sure I apply a generous amount to my roots, to the length of my hair, and more especially the ends. And as I am deep conditioning, or as I'm applying the product, I make sure that my hair is wet and I'm adding a lot of water to the hair so that the deep conditioner forms as I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. Now if your deep conditioner doesn't form, put a question mark on that deep conditioner, because it ain't doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, now after I have detangled that section, I put that into a chunky twist. After this, I apply some oil to my scalp, and then I wear my shower cap and stay under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And as I was rinsing it out with warm water, it was so soothing. It has spearmint and citronella essential oil in this, and you can actually feel the citrus scent, and the minty scent is just so refreshing and very therapeutic. All right, I really love it. It was so amazing. And I rinsed it out with warm water, and the product just came out completely well. I didn't have to struggle with this product. It came out so well. After I rinsed out my hair, it was time for moisture, which is step number 4. Time for me to moisturize my hair. Now ordinarily on a day that I'm not blow drying my hair, I just use a hair cream on my hair and that's it, especially a whipped buttercream that has water in it. But today, because I'm blow drying my hair, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner as well as the Mega Growth heat serum. Now I apply the leave-in conditioner to my hair and then seal it up with the heat serum. It's important that you apply a heat serum before you use any heat too. This is going to really protect your hair. I got a comb attachment from Black Girl Hair Store and went ahead and blow dried my hair. Now I have shown you guys how I go about blow drying my hair. I wouldn't show you the whole process, but just appreciate the fact that the leave-in conditioner is one that left my hair feeling soft and manageable, and I didn't have any issues, and my hair came out looking so great. I mean, look at that. I really don't go for silky blowouts. I just go for stretching out my hair and making sure that it's manageable. And this is how the hair looks like a week after. As I was showing you guys, I had some chunky twists in my hair, and this is how it turned out. Really love this hair bundle, this wash day hair bundle from Simply Natural Malawi. If I were to give one word to describe it, I would say it is refreshing, because it has these elements that are really going to refresh your scalp, and those that are really going to help your hair strands to really be good. This bundle is something that if you use it consistently and on a regular, you're going to see so much change on your scalp. You're going to see growth. Your scalp is going to be healthy, and you're going to have healthy ends, and you're going to have fuller strands, because the ingredients that are in here are the ones that I use in my DIYs, and this is the evidence. My hair is the evidence. If you want to contact them, their link is right down there below. They are on Instagram, they are on TikTok, they're also on Facebook if you want to contact them and get your hair bundle. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for your support, and may you please share this video to your friends and like it and subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so that you are the first person to know whenever I post a new video. And until then, stay blessed.
Close your eyes for a second.